Groups of people are entering the building for the seminar they need to attend. Two groups are about to attend different seminars, but there is a slight difference when it comes to greeting visitors. Seminars at Group A manages access in a traditional way. In Group B seminar, Face Premium is installed. If you look at Group A, the person is checking the visitor list with the visitor's ID card. It is recommended to wear a mask every time. You even have to measure your body temperature. Just to get in, various processes such as checking visitors, wearing a mask, and measuring body temperatures are required. It takes more than 8 minutes for 20 people to enter. And in all of this, of course, you're tired of waiting. But wait! The other group is already finished entering. Shall we find out how that happened? People already registered their ID into the device. Visitors can just walk through to reach their seminar. It recognizes visitors from 4 meters ahead, so you can enjoy a seamless entrance experience. With multi-view function, it can recognize 4 people at a time, significantly reducing entrance time. By using Face Premium, facilities can reduce time up to 80%. As you can see, it only took 10 seconds for 12 people to enter. Through mask detection function, it recognizes whether personnel have their masks on or not. By integrating with our thermal camera sensor, it also checks the temperature for the prevention of disease infection. Also, it provides and or authentication methods. As for the AND method, operators can set simultaneous authentication procedures, which strengthens security. If you use the OR method, authentication procedures can be changed according to various situations, such as using face, fingerprint, mobile key, card, QR codes, and passwords. UBio-X Face Premium provides seamless entrance experience through outstanding performances such as 4-meter long-range authentication and 4-people multi-view. Through mask detection and thermal camera integration, it can not only serve as an access control device, but also as a virus prevention device. Finally, it supports user-friendly authentication combinations for unlimited possibilities. Therefore, by implementing the use of UBio-X Face Premium, we provide solutions to the difficulties in the conventional access control. Not to mention that you can enjoy the functions provided by Premium in various spaces such as factories, construction sites, shipyards, seminars, conferences, and exhibitions. For more information, please visit our website.